Hello inflatable fans, let's see what this dry suit's like when it's inflated fully on the water. This is that military dry suit. You might have seen me test this, but I want to see what it's like when you're fully inflated. Don't ask me why. Right, plug it in and turn it on. There's no drinking involved in any stupidity like this. Right, here we go. It's come straight to the
You're going to give me this?
You are?
You're going to give me this hose?
I'm going to give you the hose in a bit, yeah. When I'm fully inflated. I can feel my legs going.
Get your legs down.
Can't get my legs down. Am I a ship yet? There we go.
Hang on, let me get a paddle.
Right, I think we need the hose.
Drop stitch Carl.
Pull the hose out. Oh, I'm losing air. There we go. I think I've saved it. I'm going to end up somewhere in that boat club.
They'll put a license on you and put an outboard motor on you.
What does it look like with this inflated? Does it look a bit mad?
Yeah. There's no words, is there? Can you turn on your front?
I very much doubt that. Oh, I can. It's fair to say that if you were to inflate this thing on the water, you'd be quite safe. Well, why not? Anyway, enough of this daftness. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Oh, gonna rope.
Done it. Bless you. Thank you.